Hello students, how are you? I hope you're fine. I'm also fine. So I made this video for you and I'm telling you regarding main examination for 2021 and you are eagerly waiting for your date sheet, main examination date sheet. Likewise BA, BCom, BSc, LLB, B.Ed, etc. courses. I'm telling you each and everything in this video. Just I request you have to watch complete video till end. Firstly, I want to tell you that you have to visit in DBREU website and you can see there some links which is for back examination. If you are about to take your examination for back paper, then I think you have seen that links and you have downloaded that date sheet. And now I'm telling you most important thing that this is now your term. Your examination, which I already told you in last video, that for practical examination mid of July 2021, 1st July to 15th July 2021, you have to give your examination for practical and you have to give just orally examination, not written examination. You have to not prepare a file for practical examination. Because of this is a conclusion, and I think you are aware about that university will conduct examination, oral examination. Viva, it will be oral, not you have to not submit file. So this is clear. And after 15th of July 2021, in mid 15th July 2021 to 30th July 2021, your examination, main examination will be finished. So be ready, be conscious about it, and you have to visit DBREU website daily wise, and you have to check properly, because of after re-exam your date sheet can be published, upload on the website. And I request you, whenever if you are visited in this channel first time, you can subscribe this channel, because of whenever for main examination I'm telling you, whenever date sheet will upload on the website, DBREU website, I'll intimate you within 10 or 15 minutes, because of I aware about that, and I know very well that you are aware about that, and you can check on self. But you know what, some important work, during some important work students can't unable to see. So if you subscribe this channel, then notification will, you can open that notification in your YouTube section and then you can know about that. And just state that was, yeah, I'm telling you one another thing, that MCQ question, about MCQ question. And you have to give examination for 2 hours. Duration will be 2 hours, and you have to choose one objective question, right objective question, and you have to fill that circle, because of, you know well, that OMR seat, you have to fill OMR seat. There will be one question, 100 question, there will be 100 question, and you have to choose 50 questions, and you 4 options will be there, and you have to choose one question, one right answer, and you have to fill that circle only. You can't do 60 answers, you can't give 70 answers, just you have to fill 50 circles. You have to choose 50 questions which you know very well, and you have to prepare according to MCQ, and then you have to take your examination. And the dates I have mentioned, this is 99% possibility that date sheet will come as soon as possible, and whenever it will come, I'll intimate you. I already told you. And besides this, I don't want any discussion, but let's meet in next video, and thank you so much.